So our first story is this, the iPad Pro. This is the brand new iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2020 and the iPad Magic Keyboard. Now for a very, very long time, there have been people who use tablets as laptops, but it's been a bit of a compromise. You never really feel super comfortable. It never gives you that exact same feel that you get with a laptop or with a desktop. But finally, we've got something that really works, and that is the Magic Keyboard. It does some very unique things that nothing else has ever done before. But does it really make your iPad into a laptop? We're about to find out.
Apple refreshed its iPad Pro lineup in March this year, and the Pro 2020 has finally hit Indian shores. Apple calls this Pro more than a computer, a magical piece of glass, and it might just be that with a new A12Z Bionic chipset, improved cameras, LiDAR scanner support, and most importantly, a Magic Keyboard. No, that's not an adjective we are describing it, but that's actually its name. It can instantly transform the iPad into a fully functioning laptop and has a trackpad on it too. So it's time to dive into the review and see if the Magic Keyboard truly makes the iPad Pro a laptop replacement. The new iPad Pro comes in two sizes, 11 inches and 12.9 inches. We got the 12.9 inch one for review. Price, you ask? Yes, with Apple, we know it's usually on the higher side, and it holds true for this iPad as well. The 11 inch one is priced at 71,900 rupees, while the 12.9 inch variant is priced at a whopping 89,900 rupees. The iPad Pro is thin at 5.9 millimeters. It's not the lightest tablet, and it sure does feel heavy duty in our hands. In terms of design, Apple has heard our prayers again and minimized the bezels this year as well. On the back, the layout of the cameras makes it look like the iPhone 11 Pro. The Magic Keyboard is priced at 31,900 rupees for the 12.9 inch variant. So what do you get for a high price like that? Well, the clicky keys feel good to type on. It has a scissor mechanism that does well, and there's a trackpad too, which works really well with trackpad support on the iPad Pro. It's a backlit keyboard and it looks good too. The best part is it has a magnet mount that makes the iPad look like it's just floating above and really makes this a quasi-computer. Plus, you can adjust the iPad angle to your liking. And now, let's gorge at the display of this beauty. It is a liquid retina display, and it has ProMotion technology, which means the refresh rate of the screen can go up to 120 Hz. Now, there is a reason Apple calls this the Pro. It has all the meat anyone could dream of on the inside. It's powered by Apple's A12Z Bionic chip with a 64-bit architecture. This is what makes the iPad Pro really come into its own. It's blazing fast with heavy applications, multitasking, graphics, and just about anything you throw at it. It runs on the iPad OS 13.4, which now finally comes with mouse and trackpad support. This powerful beast also comes loaded with studio quality mics and an ultra-wide camera in addition to the 12-megapixel one. Taking pictures with this massive iPad feels a little awkward, but Apple has given you the option. Plus, there's also a 4K at 60 FPS recording capability. There's a 7-megapixel front camera, which might be the need of the hour as the world works more from home. But the best part is the LiDAR scanner on the back. This is a depth sensor that enhances augmented reality on the iPad Pro. The addition of the Magic Keyboard makes the iPad Pro 2020 seem even better and even a tad more powerful than the MacBook Pro. It is seamless to use, especially for creators. The new class of AR apps and the trackpad support is what we like the best. The performance is really good, and overall it compares to the new Surface Pro 7 and Surface Pro X very closely. We would recommend snapping on a keyboard with it. You won't miss a laptop with the iPad Pro. It makes for an expensive proposition, but is one of the best computing experiences we have come across this year.